Well, everybody's favorite bumpkin here. Guess what? It's Monday. So you know what that means? That's right. Monday Night Takeover on the tubes, okay? Starting out at 8 o'clock Eastern Time, we got Rainy Rider with his new video. And then right there in the big middle, we got G-Ma Rides with her new video. Congratulations on hitting 500 subs. Awesome, hun. I'm glad to see it. And then after her video tonight, here at 8:45, hey, guess what? That's us, y'all. Now, I want to ask you right now, please be patient and make sure you watch to the very end of the video, okay? I'll be totally honest with you. Whenever I was making this thing, I was kind of here, there, all over the place and everything. Basically, kind of like a ADD, yeah, you know that squirrel from the Disney movie with the big woolly mammoth? Yeah, that guy. Yeah. Anyway, see you tonight, 8:45, Joe the Mountain Jedi. But remember, 8 o'clock, that's when it kicks off at Rainy Rider's channel. And also, after our premiere wraps up tonight on the JTMJ channel, we're doing Monday Night Trivia on the JTMJ Discord. That's right, folks, we're going for a twofer. We did it last night, we're doing it again. See you then.